Hi class! In this tutorial you will be learning how to multiply using area model or box model. Let's start with a 3-digit by a 1-digit number. So let's say we're multiplying 382 times 7. In this case you would need 3 columns but only 1 row because you're just multiplying by 7. Your first step is that you need to break 382 into expanded form, and that would be 300 plus 80 plus 2. And then we just multiply. So we start at the top left, and in this first box you're going to put 300 times 7. Okay, and then we go 1 over, and we do 80 times 7. And then 2 times 7. So now our equations are set up. Now we're going to find our products. So we know about the multiples of 10 that we can just do 7 times 3, and that gives us 21. And then we're going to drop those 2 zeros into our product. So 300 times 7 is going to be 2,100. Now we're going to look at 80 times 7, which is really just 8 times 7 first. And then we will drop that 0. So remember, your product has to have the same amount of zeros as your factors. We have 1 here and 1 here, so we're good. And then 2 times 7 is 14. Once you have all of your partial products, you're going to add those together. So we'll do 2,100 plus 560 plus 14, and you want to make sure that those are lined up. So 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4, 6 plus 1 is 7, 1 plus 5 is 6, and we just drop our 2. We're going to count from the right, 1, 2, 3, and put our comma. And I'll just get rid of that so it looks normal. There you go. Alright, next we're going to do a 2-digit by 2-digit on the next page. So, let's say we have a 2-digit by a 2-digit number. So, let's say 74 times 36. Okay, for 2 by 2, we're going to make a 4 square box that represents 74 and 36. So again, the first thing we do is we break up our factors into expanded form. So we're going to take 74 and break that up into 70 plus 4. And then we'll take 36 and break that up into 30 plus 6. Okay, and remember our pattern. So we go left, top, right, top, left, bottom, right, bottom. So left top means we're going to start at the left and multiply by the top row. So that would make 70 times 30. Okay, then we go right top. So right number with the top row is going to be 4 times 30. Once you have that set up, you're going to go left with the bottom row. So that would be 70 times 6. And then the last one is right bottom. So right number with the bottom row, which is 4 times 6. Oops, 6. There we go. Okay, again, now we just multiply. So we know about our multiples of 10, that when we have zeros, we really just are going to take the numbers themselves and multiply those. So 7 times 3 is 21. And then we make sure we have the zeros. So I have 1 0, 2 0, which means I need 2 zeros in my product. Then I'm going to put my comma. And then the next thing I'm going to multiply is 4 times 30, which is really 4 times 3. That gives us 12. And we just drop that 0 from our factors into our product. So that gives us 120. Now we're going to do 70 times 6. So 7 times 6 is 42. And then I have 1 0 that's going to drop into my product. And lastly, we have 4 times 6, which is 24. And then now we have all of our partial products. So we're going to add those together. And we're going to make sure we line them up by their place value. Okay, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6. 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. And we just drop that 2. So our answer is 2,664. Thank you.